everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about functions by building a simple to-do list manager app. Sounds fun, right? Let's get started. Before we dive into coding, let me quickly explain what functions are. A function is basically a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. You can think of it like a recipe. Once you define it, you can use it over and over without having to rewrite the instructions. In Python, we define a function using def keyword followed by a function name, parenthesis and a colon. Here is a simple example. To run the function, you simply call it like this. Now let's move on to something practical, a to-do list manager app. Let's start by defining a function to display our main menu. This function is very simple. It just prints out the menu options for our app. Each time the user sees this, they will know what they can do. Next, we need a function to display the tasks in the to-do list. This function will accept a list of tasks and print them out. This viewTask function takes a list of tasks as a parameter. If the list is empty, it tells the user that their to-do list is empty. Otherwise, it displays the task along with their corresponding number. The enumerate function helps us number the tasks starting from 1. Now, let's create a function to add tasks to our to-do list. We will prompt the user to enter a task, then add it to the list. Here, we define add task function. It takes a list of tasks as parameter and asks the user for input, adds the tasks to the list and confirms the addition. Now, let's write a function to remove tasks. The user can select the task number they wanted to remove, and we will delete it from the list. The remove task function also takes the list of tasks as argument. First, we check the list is empty. If not, we show the task and ask for the number of the task user wanted to remove. We then delete the task using the pop method. This function also handles errors, such as entering an invalid number. Finally, let's put everything together in our main function. This is where the app will run in a loop, allowing the users to choose an action until they decide to quit. In the main function, we initialize an empty task list and use an infinite while loop to keep displaying the menu. Based on the user's choice, we either view, add or remove the task. If the user enters 4, the program exits. If they enter an invalid choice, we give them an error message and prompt them again.
Now that we have written all the functions, let's run the app to see how it works. As you can see, I have added 3 tasks. Now let's view all the tasks we have added. Let's remove one task from the list. I just removed second task, complete Python projects. Let's check the updated list to see if it's gone. And finally, I will select option 4 to quit the program, and that's it.
That's it for today's video. You have learned how to use functions in Python to build a simple to-do list manager. Functions make your code organized, reusable, and you will find them extremely useful as you write more complex programs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python projects. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.